As they say, trends are your friends, and in the world of design, being in the know on the latest trends is essential to staying relevant and up to date with your work. Trends can also be themes you see running through modern new design work. There's a reason we see themes become so popular. For instance, there's an emerging trend of using ultra-chunky, ultra-bold fonts and typefaces in web design and mobile app design. The reason why is because chunky typefaces make for better readability when looking at small screens like a phone or an iWatch. There's usually a fundamental reason we see these trends emerge, and I want to go over several of the ones I think can be long-term design shifts that will last not just for a few months, but for many years to come. You never want to follow trends because they look fresh and cool. You want to follow them because they can change the way we interact and engage with a design or a brand. They give us new feelings of exciting change and can give us a glimpse into human creativity. We're going to look at a few major design themes or trends that I believe will emerge or continue into the year 2020. But not only that, we'll do some basic, simple projects that we could do together to help you emulate these design trends, or know the right software to engage and create them and make them a reality.